Dear students, as far as the types of isomerism are concerned, there are two basic types in which we classify the isomerism. The isomerism is basically the existence of two or more compounds with same molecular formula in different structural forms, and their properties are also different. Now, the structural and geometric isomerism. The structural isomerism is further classified into four types. The first one is the chain isomerism. The second one is position isomerism. The third one is functional group isomerism. This is functional group isomerism. The next one is Matamerism. And the fourth one is Tantomerism. Whereas geometric isomerism is also known as CIS Trons Isomerism. Now we will discuss the structural isomerism in detail. Structural isomerism. The structural isomerism is not confined to hydrocarbons only. It means that it is not only present in hydrocarbons but also in other compounds. All the classes of organic compounds and their derivatives, they show the phenomena of structural isomerism, and it is more prevalent. The structural isomerism, it arises due to difference in arrangement. Difference in arrangement of atoms within a molecule. It means it is based on the fact that how the atoms within a particular molecule are arranged. What is their arrangement? What is their sequence? How they are attached to one another. And obviously we know that it can be exhibited in the various ways, including the chain isomerism, the position isomerism, the functional group isomerism, metamerism, and tautomerism. Now, first of all, I am going to discuss the chain isomerism. This type of isomerism will arise due to difference in the nature of carbon chain. For example, here we have the example of pentane. So pentane will have structures as this is N-pentane, then we have isopentane, which is given as while writing the formula, especially the structural formula, you should keep in mind the 4 bonds of carbon. always make sure that the 4 bonds are properly satisfied. Please keep this in mind. Students make mistakes and the whole equation becomes wrong, whole formula becomes wrong, and sometimes whole question becomes wrong. So you have to keep that in your mind, that always 4 valencies of carbon atoms. Then we have the Neopentane. This is Isopentane. And now let me draw the structure of this is Neopentane. Now as you can see, all have 5 carbons and number of hydrogen 12. These are all same when we talk about the molecular formula. C5H12 all have the same molecular formula of C5H12, but you can see the structural formula is different in case of all the 3 structures. So these arrangements are possible in the chain isomerism for pentane. Now let us discuss position isomerism.